Welcome to this tutorial. We are going to discuss about Scenario Manager in MS Excel. So exactly what this Scenario Manager is all about. Scenario Manager is, for example, we have some database. For example, we are involving in a business of hotel and we are thinking regarding the records. For example, we have some database like we have our own hotel, and we believe that there will be a cost effect. Like if, for example, the cost will be of a vegetable, like as per my expectation at July month, it could be of 10,000. Raw product price will be more, like it could be 2,500. Labor charges by labor as more. So overall, the total price will be 15,500 rupees. There will be a possibility that I would shell out 15,500 rupees. This is expectation. There will be a chance. Now, there is a chance that either I have to pay more than that and I have to pay lesser than that. There will be obvious chances. So that's we are going with the scenario where we have to go through it. For example, if I go with the data, in data you will get the option called what if analysis. And what if analysis you have consider an option called scenario. Now there is scenarios where I need to create. For example, was to create a new scenario in this particular expectational price, which is 15,500 rupees as per the expectation. So there will be two scenario we are working with, and another one is either will be a scenario name is considered as minimum. It will be either minimum. Now changing shells, and then we have to consider all these three cells out there. So these three cells will be considered. Okay. Now prices will be, for example, a minimum price either will be 8,500 rupees. Sorry, 8,500 rupees. Either there will be a chance like that. Raw price could be of 2,000 rupees, and labor charges may decrease by 500. There will be expectation as per my belief. Okay, then there will be another scenario. It could be of maximum. Now again, I have to consider all these options. Okay, now there will be a chance that I have to shell out 11,000. It will be an increase of 11. There will be a chance of I have to shell out 500 more on raw products, and there is more chances that I have to shell 500 more on the expectation price on labors. So okay, so these are the expectation chart of what we created, expectation according to what exactly it could be. So there will be expectation. Now for example, I'll go with the summary. Now there will be a summary according to the price, 15,500 rupees. A summary, scenario summary. So I will go with scenario summary. Okay, and this is what the scenario could be. Like the current values, there will be a possibility we are going with the current values and the minimum and maximum. So either in the current values we have either 15,500 rupees, or in minimum we either can shell out 13,000 rupees, and maximum it could be 18,000 rupees. So 18,000 either, or at minimum it could be 13,000. So this is what the scenario summary is all about. You can even convert that in a pivot chart in the scenario manager itself, in the pivot chart, and go with the pivot chart, and we will find out the scenario like that. And if you go with the pivot chart, you will be find out like that. This is pivot chart. So either maximum will be like that, minimum will be like that. So as I mentioned, that either you go with the pivot chart like that. Now for example, we have two more sheets, and if we have another sheet, we can merge those documents like that as well. So for example, I have another sheet, and at another sheet, for example at sheet 2, I have another record, which is sheet 2, which is of June month. First is of July month and another one is June month, and I want to merge the database. Again, there will be a what if analysis here as well. I have to create add the scenario will be of sheet 2. Sorry, scenario will be of sheet 2, what if analysis, scenario, and scenario will be of June month. June month, I have to select these three values. Okay, and the price will remain same because we already know the conclusion of those amounts. 15,000, 3,000, 4,200. This is what exactly we have paid. So this we already know about what are the scenario was. So we're currently closing that, and at sheet 1, we have to basically go to what if analysis, merge these values. We have to go with another addition, merge these. At merge, we have sheet 2 there, and for example the June month, we already have the June month. We want to see the summary, so the amount will remain same, scenario summary, and you can see this is what the amount will be. For example, the current value 13,000 piece, minimum could be 13,000, maximum it could be of 18,000, and at June month there will be a possibility at June month we have already paid 21,200 rupees. So these are the three scenarios we have as of now, that either it could be a minimum, maximum, or the current value either would be a minimum or maximum, like that. So at current values, as we already discussed about at sheet 1, the current value, there will be a possibility like a database. Once again, if I go with minimum, maximum, June month, the total price. So we would go with scenario basis and at the current value as well. So at scenario basis, we go with minimum, maximum, and June month as well. So go with some summary, and you'll create a summary like that. So this is what we are all about, the current values, minimum, maximum, and June month amount. So hope you learned something about how to go with the scenario managers, how to go with scenarios like that. Thanks for watching.